Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gramophone channel. Today we're going to be continuing our journey through Sonus faber. So welcome to part 2, Sonus faber Artisan Woodworking and Metalworking. Now keep in mind this is a multi-part video series and we are on part 2. And before we get started, if you haven't seen the other videos, especially part 1, please go check them out. The links will be right down below. And of course, while you're here, make sure to subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date and not miss any part of this series. Now here we go. Let's start at the beginning. Each Sonus faber speaker, waiting to begin its long life of making musical joy, begins as boards in a carefully selected stock of hardwoods and dense fiber boards, all of which will be brought together to make for not only the most attractive, but most acoustically optimized enclosure you can find on the market today. Whether it be walnut, wenge, redwood, or many of the other finishes that Sonus faber offers, no matter which one you choose, you will know it came out of one of the finest wood shops in all the world. The hardwoods you currently see here are stacked and bonded in such a way that they can be cut into matched panels of a relatively thick veneer. The multi-layer ply used underneath will be cut into appropriate shapes to form the bulk of the lute-shaped cabinet, famous not only for its beauty, but its near-perfect acoustic properties, all of which were inspired by the very fine wooden instruments the speakers seek to reproduce during their musical playback. This veneer is then laid on the cabinet, embraced with precisely cut and curved molds to ensure a fitment and alignment with the cabinet that makes it look as if it were entirely pure hardwood to begin with. After all the cuts are made and all major components are ready for final assembly, the cabinet will be pieced together and permanently affixed. Watch as internal braces are CNC milled and skeletonized to ensure maximum rigidity to weight ratio. Now everyone take a very close look at what the gentleman with the belt sander is doing. How he is applying pressure and where, and doing so off of what looks like mechanical muscle memory. As if they sand too deep, the entire cabinet must be rejected and discarded. So this is an absolute art form, as with everything that comes with creating a piece of furniture like Sonus faber. Here you can see the amazing precision of the CNC mill as it cuts out the recesses and mounting points for all of the drivers in this Olympica Nova 5 in the making. After the primary cabinet is constructed, the first step in the detailing and finish process is next, and that will be sanding. The 3 ladies you see working here are the only people in the world who are allowed to touch the cabinets at this point. The reason for this is that women have a greater sensitivity to variance when it comes to making delicate measurement by simple sense of touch in the hand. And as you can see, the proof is in the process. And we here at the Gramophone team are a proud provider of the Sonus faber product line. So if you want to learn more, please visit us at gramophone.com or schedule a demo at one of our 3 showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And don't forget to shop online at skybygramophone.com with secure checkout and fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thank you all once again so much for watching, and I really hope that you've been enjoying this series so far. So stay tuned for part 3 of the Sonus faber journey. And until then, be seeing you.